Hi guys, for today's vlog, I have this caramel popcorn. Let's mukbang time. Like, I some drink water. Wait, you see it? Eat kain. Bye. Wait! That's why! You saw it! What the hell? Wait, guys, she ate it. He ate it. He pala, he eat this. Yeah. See it. Bye-bye.